Here's a power hammer. All hinges have a grease fitting. Hitting force is approximately whatever motor that you would actually connect to it. I used a 2-horse, and that was probably a little overkill, but I'd probably say it was at least around 50 pounds hitting force at least. So, about there at the end. This is about there. And it's quite heavy. So, and you're looking at 52. It's I measured the height, it's 80. Nothing seized. All tips have grease fittings, and everything's right. Everything's greased up. Wheels to help it move. And you just take these. I just fabricated these. They just clip in under there, and you can actually jack it up. See, the wheels go under there. Sorry, there, and then you put a jack under here and lift it up, so it helps you move it around the shop. So you don't have to keep those there. So that moves. Very easy to move the hammer. Okay, so once it gets rocking, it's a lot more. It's hard to measure the hitting power of this. So all you do is you step on here, it pulls the spring, as you can see. Okay. Again, grease fittings. So this will in turn, when you step on it, it comes up here. Okay, and it turns this lever, in which you wouldn't have these on here. I'll just have them in there for now. It turns this bar to a clutch. The clutch, what this does is the motor will be spinning. Okay, so you'll see the motor will be spinning around here. This will here, and then the clutch will actually engage. And then once it engages, it will rock the hammer. So just to show you that everything moves. Step. That's all you need. Grease fittings. There you go. Should answer all your questions. All right, cheers.